President and Commander-in-Chief of the Nigerian Armed Forces, CFR, Your Excellency, PhD CFR, Chairman, Patron, Deputy Polar Group International, and the duty number 2, Adamawa State Government, Madam Bashir Ahmed, even the President of our this morning to invite His Excellency,
the Deputy Governor, Minister FCT, Presidency, we welcome you.
Alhamdulillah alayhi wa sallam.
Your Lioness, as well as members of the Adamawa Council, the Chief, as well as our service. Your Excellency, closely following. Close. Then we have the Muhammadu Buhari's family.
A father, a leader, and a nationalist. The families are here with us. The only thing we say at the moment is thank you, because we ought to have been the one to go and condole you in Abuja, because our leader, Ahmed Joda, and you deem it fit to come and condole with us, even though you have a tight national engagement, and also today your son, your first son, will be getting married. But you still squeeze time out of your tight schedule because of your love, because of your friendship, because of your brotherliness, and because of your concern for the good people of this state, to come all the way from Abuja to come and condole with us on this day that you have tight schedule. All we will say on behalf of the people and government of Adamawa is to say thank you, Your Excellency, and welcome.
Ahmed Joda and Muhammadu Buhari. So we thank you and we welcome you to Yola on this condolence visit.
Na zo in yi wannan ƙarƙashin Obasanjo har na gama sha'anin siyasa da gwamna da minista da shugaban ƙasar sau biyu a soja da kuma wannan ina cikin shekara na 6. Yana cikin waɗanda suke taimaka mani tun daga farko har zuwa ƙarshen rayuwarsa akan taimaka mani da tafiyar da duk inda.
With the families of the deceased. Now he's here. What's the significance of this?
Well, these were 3 illustrious Nigerians: Ahmed Joda, Dr. Muhammadu Buhari, and Damburam Jada. The president felt the least he could do was to come personally. Recall that Ahmed Joda headed the transition council that brought him to power in 2015. Dr. Muhammadu Buhari was a minister under him in the days of military rule. So these were illustrious Nigerians whom he not only knew, who were not just acquaintances, but whom he shared deep relationship with. And he felt the best honor he could pay to their memory was to come to condole with their families and with the Adamawa Emirate. Thank you.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.